Welcome to EdbMails, NSF to Exchange Migration, a step-by-step guide. Looking to migrate the data from IBM Lotus Notes to an Exchange server without the hassle? Meet EdbMails NSF to Exchange Migrator, your ultimate solution for a seamless migration. EdbMails makes it easy to transfer data directly to any Exchange server. With its user-friendly design and robust features, your migration process just got a whole lot simpler. Before you migrate, you can preview all your mailbox items such as emails, attachments, contacts, and calendars. Plus, the incremental migration feature ensures only new or modified items are migrated, saving time and avoiding duplicate. Stay tuned as we guide you through the step-by-step process to migrate your NSF data effortlessly to a live Exchange server. Before starting the migration operation, ensure to install IBM Lotus Notes on your computer. Download EdbMails from official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process. Log in to EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select NSF to PST, NSF to Office 365, NSF to Exchange. Click Let's Go. Click Add Files. Select the NSF files. Click Open. Click Continue. Expand the mailbox. Click any folder to preview all the items. Select the folder that you wish to migrate. Select Migrate to Live Exchange. Click Continue. Select the required connection options. Click Next. Connect to target Exchange server. Select Exchange server version. Click Login. Select the required options to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get a migration completion message. Click OK. Click the View Log button to get migration report. That's it. For a hassle-free NSF to Exchange migration, visit edbmails.com today.